Hey kids, welcome to part 5 of lesson 8, creating functions with parameters. In our previous lessons, we doubled the objects we had in our program. Then we moved next to resizing it, first resizing our starfish, then the seagrass, and finally the fish. This final lesson, I assume, is going to add some multiple parameters to it. I wonder what they have in store. Let's check it out. Instructions say, let's make our drawing even more interesting by adding some variety to the color. I like that. Not a big fan of orange. Add 3 more parameters called red, green, and blue to your function definition for draw fish, which allows you to set the color of the fish when you call the function. Remember to separate them with commas. Note, this means that draw fish will now have 4 parameters total: size, red, green, and blue. Hint, inside draw fish, just replace the numbers of the pen RGB values with the parameters of your function. I bet you this hint is going to be very valuable to us. So let's take a look. Their example 1 has a blue and a pink. I don't know if we'll do that. We'll probably pick some different colors. Mine is orange. Let's take a look here. Let's go down to our function. All the way at the bottom is our fish. There it is. So I have size. So I want to add 3 more parameters now. These parameters are going to be red, green, and blue. Now, where are these going to call to? Well, right here, our pen RGB. Let's go corresponding to that: red, green, blue. So now, when we call our function, our parameters are going to look for the pen color to replace. So let's look for a way to replace that. Let's go up to our actual function and see what we have. Starfish down here. Oh, here's our little friend, the fish. So I'm going to add 3 more parameters to both. Remember, colors go from the values of 0 off to 255 full on. I think I would like a fun little red fish. So I'm going to do a 250, 0, 0. That's going to be my first fish. My second fish, well, let's mix it up a little. Let's do 100 on the green, maybe the blue. I do like blue. We'll go 150. So now these RGB should be replaced with these numbers here when I call that function. Let's hit reset and let's hit run. There we go. I see I have a, we'll call him a teal-ish fish and a red fish. I can simply change the fish color at any time. Let's add some red into this right here. Let's add 40. Reset our program, run again. Well, a little darker. Let's see if we can't make it more dramatic. There we go. So by just changing those values, the red, green, and blue, I can get the different colors. We've learned this in a different lesson, and now we're applying it here. Works very well. So that was multiple parameters with functions. Let's hit finish. Let's see what code.org thought of our work. Hey, great job. I'll see you for the next lesson.